Here in the art department, we teach photography, painting, drawing, ceramics, sculpture, printmaking, and we believe that every student has an artist within them, that we just need to find that artist, kind of pull that out of every student that walks in here, and that they're able to see what they're capable of and to be able to tell stories through our artwork. Quite often, I have students that come in and don't understand what they're truly capable of. Once they get started on the wheel or working with clay, it's fun to watch that instant connection, and they realize that this is really cool. This is really, really neat. They're able to create something with their two hands, follow that through all the different steps and stages until the end, where they have something that's functional, that they can use every day, or that they could give to someone else. And quite often, I have those same students want to turn this into something more. It might not be a career necessarily, but it would definitely be a part of their life after high school. I'd like to purchase a new set of kiln shelves so that our students are able to explore and experiment a lot more with different glazing techniques, specifically in the ceramics department, and that they can play around with dripping and overlapping different glazes, the things that they currently can't do. A new set of kiln shelves, it sounds kind of silly, but they really are, they're really cool. They're really cool, and they're thinner, they're stronger, and when student projects actually, when the glaze actually drips down, which is the experimental part, when that happens, they actually stick to our current shelves, and I have to take a hammer and chisel them off. And of course, in that process, the projects break and the kiln shelves tend to not get ruined, but I need to fix them up. These shelves are made out of this really cool material that does not stick. So projects essentially pop off. It is such a huge time saver for me. I don't have to go outside and use an angle grinder to grind down the extra glass on the shelves. And of course, student projects are saved. They're not broken. And I can actually allow students to experiment so much more with what they're doing. Our department absolutely needs new and updated equipment for photography. So that might mean digital cameras, maybe equipment, other equipment, lighting, possibly some software programs. So all of those things can be expensive and don't normally come, we have a hard time paying for those out of our regular budget. So photography equipment would be something that we would look at for a grant in the future.